Okay, we're back out here. This time, more ultralight bait casting. Got the same rig that I used yesterday. This is that Shimano Scorpion BFS XG 17. But this time, I've still got the Z-Man rig with me. But this time, I've got this little micro finesse DIY inline spinner that uses this little grub-like deal. And I'm hoping to see what that'll do working a pond that we call the pond, or In-N-Out pond, In-N-Out Burger pond, because In-N-Out Burger is just over there. There's Cheddar's. We also got Raising Cane. So hey, if I get hungry, maybe I might be able to go get a bite or two. Anyhow, let's get situated here. I got my polarized glasses on, so I can at least peek in the water here and maybe get a view of a strike before I hit. And this time I'm fishing. It's probably about 1/16 ounce, or just a little bit above 1/16 ounce for the lure. It's about 6 o'clock or so, and we are in the city of Allen here in Texas. I got my polarized glasses on. Water's a little stained, but I can still see, I'd say about maybe a foot below the surface. And oh, there's the hit right in front of me. Oh, wow. Nice. Liking that. All right. First one on the DIY inline spinner. Cool beans. All right. And this one weighs about 1/16 ounce. And I'm just going to work it in here. All right. Let's see me get another one. That last one struck fairly close to shore. Oh. Wow. That was a big one. Came up right behind it. Let me see if I can get him to come back again. Wow. Got my polarized glasses so I could see him come up right behind it and try taking it. Oh, man. That was a nice one. Here's a view of what I'm using. Okay. This is the DIY inline spinner. So I'm using a little worm sinker weight deal here. Little bead. Phantom Martin style blade. And then I got a little tool to make these little, loops and whatnot on the wire, and it's got a little simple bait hook, bait holder hook here, and then I got this Euro style grub, and it seems to work. Got one on the line, landed it, as well as had one chase it, and yeah. So let's see if we can get another one to come and hit. I'm gonna kind of work the shoreline, see if I can get another one to strike. Come on. Talk to me, Ghost Rider. Okay, I'm gonna bring it in close to this culvert. There he is. Yeah, all right. Close to the culvert. A lot of times they're just lurking right over there. Nice. Okay. I seen him come up right behind it, and then he grabbed it. And hey, he's not the biggest, but he sure is fun to catch. All right, so let's see what we can do here. So far 2 bass, one miss, 2 bass. All right, let's see. I think there's a hit. All right, I felt the tap. This one feels more like a bluegill. Yeah. Oh, he got off. There's a bluegill. Little bluegill. I see some activity over there just up the bank on the surface. It looks like some bass are maybe feeding on something. Good sign. And there's the hit right there. Came up right behind it again, up close. More like a couple of feet, if not, he's going to flop off. There he is. Right there. Yep, there he goes. All right. I don't know. I'd say I'd count that one. What do you say? Let's say we got 3. All right. And then over the years, I've noticed consistently there's some nice bluegill that tend to be further out here in this one portion of the pond. Oh, there's the hit. All right. You can feel the reel clicker. Oh, that's a bass. Okay. Nice. And that Shimano has this reel clicker. Reel clicker drag. So it makes this cool sound when it's pulling out on the drag. And there he is. DIY inline spinner with that Euro tackle bait deal. Oh, wow. I may have to grab the old forceps. And for some reason, this one was calling me. Okay, and there it is. Here, let me show you the actual grub I'm using. got the package here. Bear with me. Let me put this up. All right, so yesterday I was using a Z-Man Ned rig, and I'm not using it today mainly because of the bottom being all clobbered. But today I'm using this DIY inline spinner that I made right there, and then this Urataco Micro Finesse grub-like thing is what I'm using to put on the hook, and yeah, it's working for bass, and also had a bluegill hit. So, all right, so I said that I've caught bluegill up in this area in the past, and I ended up catching a bass. Well, let's just cast out here again and do the same thing and see what happens. And basically taking advantage of also being in the shade here right now. Come on, come on. It is cooler than the other day. It was in the 90s. Oh, there's one coming behind it. Yeah, I saw him come up behind it. Nice, nice. I saw the V-wake and then I saw his head. All right. And again, you saw how close it was. So finished the cast or finished the retrieve. He was right there in front of me. And he's a little dirty, but I definitely saw the fish come up behind it and take it using this Shimano bait caster. Ultralight Baitcasting. Fun stuff. Oh, he picked it up. He picked it up. He ran. He ran. Oh, yeah. That one picked it up. I could see the line moving. I could see the line moving. Not a biggie, but hey, that's part of it, eh? Little ultralight bait casting makes the small ones even feel big. All right. This is a shared experience, I hope. You can see how yours truly fishes. And that's our motto of our channel, is learn to fish by our trials and errors, as we've made a bunch. All right, that one hit as it was slowly moving through the water. Not on the drop. I did feel the pickup versus a strike, and now I got to get them out of the junk. So, yeah, little 6-pound test. Not a very big one, but I'm definitely on some junk. But I think I can coax him out of there. Okay, he's still on, but I got to get it under this one greenery thing. Oh, he's off. Oh well, and I suspect they'll be here again tomorrow, doing the same thing. What time is it right now? Oh wow, it's 8. Oh shoot, 8 o'clock. Oh wow, that one hit as I was checking my watch. All right, well that one hit on the drop. Nice. All right, got one. Feeling for a pickup. Well, there's one jumping. Dang it. Jump over here. Jump on my lure. We'll see here in a moment. Because it's definitely Fly Rod City. Maybe get a good idea of what's actually here lurking. Oh, there's a pickup. Got him. All right. He picked it up. There we go. Basalito. Oh, and he's going to flop away. All right, long range release. Long range release. Okay, that one actually hit it on the move. So I'm going to still there. Oh, that one hit it on the drop. I need to tighten the. Yeah, that one hit it on the drop. All right. So it's a little bit past 8:30 or 8. Yeah, almost 8:30. So looks like we got some bass that want to play tonight. Ultralight Baitcasting. What are you using?
The fly line.
No, what fly?
I actually don't know. I think I've got a woolly booger at the end with a
Okay.
something on top.
You got any dry flies?
I do have a few.
Because they're
about to switch to.
yeah, because it's bluegill and bass are hitting.
Damn.
I'm live on YouTube right now. Yeah, they were hitting on the drop with the this rig I was using.
Yeah.
But right now, if you can, let me see what you have.
I didn't bring very many.
Oh no, that's fine. This would be a good one.
Yeah.
Muddler
All right.
minnow, and then what is this? This little, I think it's called the ghost. The woolly bugger's good, but it's for bigger,
Yeah.
bigger stuff. Right now, you got some nice bluegill in the water. There's some bass in the mix.
Mm-hmm.
What's your setup? Oh, you're doing a dropper?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of too big for here.
Right.
You go with the muddler minnow. You might get
Okay.
some bass on it.
Uh-huh.
You'll probably get some hits on the bluegill also.
Okay.
The bass are in the mix of all this, but you can see they're everywhere.
Yeah, absolutely.
Had a good time. Again, this is the setup I use, Shimano Ultralight Baitcasting. All right, Scorpion BFS-XG, fishing the pond behind In-N-Out Burger. You can also call it the pond behind Raising Cane's, or even you can call it the pond behind Cheddar's. Anyways, glad you guys joined. Do stay tuned. I'll get more of these live streams out. And unfortunately, sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. And other times, well, it's just good to get out here. All right, next time we'll catch y'all later. Good luck and good fishing.